Let us now go through the installation process of Twilio for Zoho CRM. Access the Zoho Marketplace. Here you can find the application Ultra Twilio for Zoho CRM. Click on Install. Select the checkboxes and click on Install. Agree to the terms of service and click on Continue to install. Select the users for whom you wish to install the app. Click on Confirm. Once redirected to the app settings page, sign in to Algebra using your Zoho CRM email ID. We firstly have to authorize our Zoho account. Select your Zoho account domain. Click on Authorize Now. Click on Accept. We now have to authorize our Twilio account. Click on Get Here to obtain your Twilio account credentials. From the console page, copy the Twilio account SID. Enter it in the space provided. Copy the auth token. Paste it under Twilio account auth token. Click on Authorize. The setup for Twilio for Zoho CRM has now been complete. Thank you for watching.